The shadows clung, a heavy shroud, my spirit lost within the crowd of yesterday's mistakes and shame, whispering a forgotten name. Then came a presence soft and deep, a promise that the soul can keep. Not earthly water, cold and stark, nor scrubbing hands in the lonely dark, but living water, flowing free, a fount of grace. It poured out for me. The blood of Yah, precious flow, it make a sullied spirit snow. Each tear that falls, a cleansing rain, washes away the clinging stain. The broken pieces I held so tight, I gathered together in his Kodesh light. A new heart beats, a steadfast fire, fulfilling pure, the purest and deepest desire. My past is gone, a fading dream, reflected bright in that flowing stream. No longer bound by chains of sin, a brand new life. Now I can begin. O blessed peace, to be made whole, washed clean by love, from head to soul.